This bill is fairly straightforward. It prohibits law enforcement officers, federal agents, and immigration enforcement officers from wearing identity-concealing face coverings during public interactions and when performing their duties. Obviously, I think we're all aware of incidents that started occurring last year where we started seeing law enforcement officers throughout the country where they were bringing intimidation tactics and causing fear in neighborhoods, in our families, and our communities. The first known incident that I'm aware of here in Washington State occurred in Bellingham last summer, where an individual was detained by federal law enforcement in an unmarked car by masked agents on his way to a doctor's appointment. The law enforcement officials refused to show him a required warrant, which the individual asked for. They did not provide it or would not show it. And the law enforcement officials then broke his car window and forcibly removed him from his car.
There are a couple of issues that are problematic with this bill. One, it does actually present a direct threat to public safety, both for our members of the public and members of law enforcement. It's also got some constitutional issues. As Senator Hawley mentioned, there's some ongoing litigation with very similar legislation in California. The United States has actually sued the state of California. That case is ongoing. It's yet to be resolved. And the real premise, the base principles of that case are the supremacy clause, which means states have no authority to govern how the United States acts within their jurisdiction. That control is retained by the United States. That's been longstanding principle since the 1800s and been reiterated thousands of times over. So that's going to be one of the hurdles of this bill. In addition, there's the intergovernmental doctrine immunity, which again forces puts the position that the states cannot regulate the United States government. With those base principles, there is a concern that this bill lacks constitutionality.